turmeric, and lemon juice. It is then coated in a batter made with rice flour and deep fried until crispy. Snow trout soup. This is a hearty soup made with snow trout, vegetables, and herbs. The fish is cooked in a broth made with onions, tomatoes, garlic, and ginger. Vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, and beans are also added along with herbs such as thyme and parsley. Snow trout kebabs. This is a popular preparation in which the fish is marinated in a blend of spices and herbs and then skewered and grilled. The kebabs are often served with a yogurt-based dipping sauce. Snow trout steamed. In this preparation, the fish is marinated in a blend of spices and herbs and then steamed with vegetables such as carrots and peas. It is a healthy and flavorful way to prepare snow trout. In conclusion, snow trout is a versatile and delicious fish that is an important part of traditional Himalayan cuisine. It can be prepared in a variety of ways, and its delicate flavor pairs well with a range of spices and herbs. To calculate the calories in dishes made from snow trout, you will need to know the weight of the fish and the ingredients used in the recipe. Here are some examples. Snow trout curry. The calorie content of snow trout curry will depend on the recipe and serving size. However, as a general estimate, a 100-gram serving of snow trout curry prepared with onions, tomatoes, and spices is likely to contain around 150 to 200 calories. Snow trout fry. A 100-gram serving of snow trout fry prepared with rice flour and deep fried until crispy is likely to contain around 250 to 300 calories. Snow trout soup. The calorie content of snow trout soup will depend on the recipe and serving size. However, as a general estimate, a 100-gram serving of snow trout soup prepared with vegetables and herbs is likely to contain around 100 to 150 calories. Snow trout kebabs. The calorie content of snow trout kebabs will depend on the recipe and serving size. However, as a general estimate, a 100-gram serving of snow trout kebabs prepared with a yogurt-based dipping sauce is likely to contain around 150 to 200 calories. Snow trout steamed. The calorie content of snow trout steamed will depend on the recipe and serving size. However, as a general estimate, a 100-gram serving of snow trout steamed with vegetables is likely to contain around 100 to 150 calories. It is important to note that the calorie content of these dishes can vary depending on the preparation method and ingredients used, so it is always best to check the nutrition information for the specific dish you are consuming. Additionally, the preparation method can also impact the nutritional value of the dish, so choosing healthier cooking methods such as steaming or grilling can help reduce the calorie content. Snow trout soup is a hearty and flavorful dish that is a popular part of Himalayan cuisine. It is typically made with snow trout, vegetables, and herbs, and is often served as a main course. Here's a more detailed recipe for snow trout soup. Ingredients: